Number 4, the blue collar meets nerd combination that you didn't expect. It's kind of like, what's a food you didn't expect? Not the cronut. It's like the Doritos Locos Taco. What else? It's like, what is the unexpected food combination that sounds gross, but is actually great? This is that. It's learning to be an HVAC technician by playing a game on the Oculus Quest that Meta made. I don't know if you've seen this. So they've created these Quest games that are like data center operations engineer, and you're like playing like a flight simulator, but they're actually using it to train and hire people because they badly need more technicians for these jobs.
Okay.
And I think this is pretty interesting.